take a look at the color of this. Soul Red Crystal on this beautiful 2019 Mazda MX-5 Miata Club. 2-liter underneath the hood, paired up with that 6-speed manual transmission. Just look at the paint color on this. One owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 23,000 miles is all on this one. It also has the front clear adhesive protector on it. Can't even really see the outline of it on that front bumper. So really pretty much free of much for any little rock chips, nicks, what have you. And it's been driven a few miles. You might find an imperfection here or there, but overall extremely clean car. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the undersides, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see writing on the BBS wheels and Brembo brakes. So it does have the Brembo BBS package on it. It's also going to come with the heated leather trimmed seats. And then also has the appearance package. That's where you're going to get the chin spoiler up there. And then on the sides, you have the side sill extensions, as well as that rear bumper skirt down at the bottom, and then also your rear lip spoiler. Black fabric top. Manual top, probably one of the easiest cars to put the top up and down on that I have dealt with in quite some time here. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You'll also be able to see a copy of the window sticker with the still pictures. Going to be the easiest way to see exactly how this thing is equipped. Check out the still pictures. It's going to have that window sticker in there. There is also the owner's manual, showroom brochure, some receipts, just as far as maintenance, what have you, oil changes. That will also be included in the purchase of this. And again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on that link down below the video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And let's go ahead and check out the interior. So, of course, your monitored amenities, power windows, power locks, mirrors. Seating surface, as you'd expect with a car with 23,000 miles on it. Bose stereo system. Steering wheel controls, information center. All right. We'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Check the exact miles. So there's your exact miles, 23,359. Look at the rest of the dash. Probably won't really be able to hear much. Pretty quiet running cars, obviously. And for the engine bay, let me pause this a second. I'm going to pop this hood open and we'll check out that engine bay. Take a look under the hood. At the hood liner, you can see this thing has not been driven in inclement weather. No doubt about that. Look at how clean this engine bay is. Of course, the 2-liter inline 4 Sky Active technology. Your power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Strut tower brace. And again, like the rest of the car, nice and clean, well taken care of. 2019 Mazda MX-5 Miata Club, one owner. Just a little over 23,000 miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I almost forgot. Better take a quick peek at this top. So black fabric top and manual top. Like I said earlier, one of the easiest ones I've ever put up any of the convertibles we get. Takes all about 10 seconds. Rear glass window. with the frost. Again, what you'd expect with a car of this caliber and the low miles that it has. 2019 Mazda MX-5 Miata Club. One owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2019 Mazda MX-5 Miata. It's in a very nice color. This car's like new. Shows 23,000 kilometers on the odometer. It's a 6-speed manual. Feels like new. Corners great. Accelerates great. Got a good stereo. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our cars and the roads are primarily dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. Let's get up to speed here. We're at 55 miles an hour. This is a convertible. I can hear the wind, but it's not much. It's pretty quiet. Smooth going down the road. Doesn't pull either direction. Not getting any wheel hop or shimmies or vibrations. Very comfortable car. I'm 6'1" and I can fit in this car just fine. Definitely want to check out this 2019 Mazda MX-5 Miata, a unique classic.